Hi everyone! In today's video, I want to share with you 6 jobs or 6 websites that are hiring people to work remotely, and it is great for introvert people. So if you're shy, you don't want to talk, you don't want to show your face, it's great for you. So let's go, I'll show you. All right, the first website that will pay you as an introvert is called Humanatic.com, and you just need to review calls, and that's how you get paid. So you get paid via PayPal, so it is used worldwide, so no problem with that. Um, it's very simple, so you literally need to listen to conversation over the phone, and you can work at your own pace. You don't need to call, so you won't have to talk to people, and you get paid weekly. So that's a real perk. So here, just head to their website here and just sign up. The second website that is real good for introvert to get paid online is called testa.io. So it's a crowd testing platform for the gaming industry. So if you like gaming, perfect for you. So you'll just need to head to their website. You get free tests. So here, when you're on their website, just go to become a tester, and you can register right here to become a tester. So how much can you earn? Because that's what you want to know. So you can earn between $45 to $100 per hour, depending on the kind of test you will do. So it all depends on that. You cannot guarantee that you'll get $100 per hour all the time, but yeah. So they pay you via PayPal, Payoneer, or Wise. I use them all, and they're real good. I prefer Wise personally, but because PayPal has some fees, so we all know that, and they can freeze your money as well if they want to. So yeah, my personal choice is Wise. If you can use Wise, so yeah, just sign up to their website. And for the payment, if we have a little bit more info here, deposits are required to test the process user experience. New testers are often concerned about payment testing because it requires depositing and their own money and then withdrawing it. There are rare cases when the withdrawal might be less than the amount deposited. So yeah, you don't need to worry about that. What devices do I need for testing? You just need a mobile smartphone. So as long as you have a smartphone, iPhone, Android, whatever, you can start testing some games. So head to their website. It's testa.io. Register as a tester, and that's how you can start to get paid. The third one is TranscribeMe. So it's for transcribers. So you can work at your own pace. I've tried it. I've tested being a transcriber, so I know what it is. You're not paid very well because don't forget it's per audio hour. So it's not per hour technically, right? Because if you think about it, if you start to transcribe an hour long audio or video, by the time you're going to listen to it, the first like 30 seconds, then you need to type it out. Now you have, however, keep in mind that now you have like a lot of tools that you can use that are going to write for you. So you don't have to technically type it. So it's easier. So you can actually make more money nowadays. Back then it was a little bit like harder because you had to type things. But yeah, so it's $15 to $22 per audio hour. Um, Honestly, they pay you. I've tried. They pay you. You work at your own pace. You're paid via PayPal, and you need to pass an exam test. Again, great for introverts. You just need to know how to write and type, so you can become a freelancer. So it's not bad. It's good. It's good. You can make money depending on where you live. Like this money can take you a long way if you live in a very expensive country, it's probably not going to be the side job you want to do or the job you want to do. But if you live in other countries that are a little bit cheaper, the lifestyle is a little bit cheaper, then it's great. So yeah, TranscribeMe, you can work any hour you want. You work from home and you don't need to call anyone, talk to anyone. So great for introverts. All right, the third one is DataForce.ai. So you can go to their website, and it's a bridge AI technology. It bridges AI technologies with a diverse network of over 1 million data contributors, scientists, and engineers. So you can apply for jobs and paid projects with DataForce. So that's what you want to do. So you can go here, learn more. So here, as you can see, you can train AI and change the world, because everything is AI nowadays, as you can see. Even now with DeepSeek that just came out, another AI giant that's taking over the AI world. Another reason why AI is just the future. Unfortunately, for some people, I know it's hard to believe, but it is the truth. So here you can take short and long-term positions. You can earn money now with some projects, join the team, so you can find projects here. It's completely remote, as you can see. And here you have some projects that you can apply to. All the positions are remote, as you can see. Minor, Arabic remote. So yeah, so you can choose projects, get paid. You don't have to talk to anyone, because it's typing, writing. So it's good for people that are introverts. So head to their website, join them first, join them, apply. You can apply here, and then you can start to find the projects. So really simple here. That's where you can join. And here you can see they're in a very large amount of countries, and you can pick your language here. So freelance, remote transcriber. So they have like multiple types of jobs, and you just need to first join the team and then pick the jobs you want. You have long-term or short-term positions. They have a freelance crew here, as you can see as well. And they work with TransPerfect, which is a great company, because I did work for them. I'm not working for them anymore, but they're great. They pay, so very reliable. So yeah, you can go ahead with that company. Another one is CrowdGen. In fact, it's Appen. Appen is very famous. It's a website where you can apply to tasks and get paid for tasks. You can do that remotely from anywhere in the world. And here they have that CrowdGen. And again, it involves AI. So get to the page. You need to get into AI, because it's the future. So you might as well just learn now everything about AI. So flexible hours, quick payment. They pay via PayPal, Payoneer, AirTM. Payoneer, I don't know AirTM. PayPal, of course. You can work from anywhere, competitive pay, and you work with AI. So again, it's gonna be a lot of writing. You don't need to talk. It's great for introverts, because no need to show your face, no need to talk. And again, you can work from anywhere in the world, and you get paid. If I remember, they pay weekly, if I'm not mistaken. I did work with Appen, Appen as well, and they're good. They're reliable. I got paid from them. So you can go ahead and join the team and pick your tasks. You can pick your tasks. You need to apply, and once you start getting a first task, they'll give you like more choices, more options. So yeah, get into the AI world. All of the introverts positions that are available online are related to AI in some ways. So, and another one, and the last one is Outlier.ai. So again, it's related to AI. So there you go. You can join their team related to AI, view opportunities right here. So it's good for introverts. So it's going to be a lot of writing. No need to show your face or talk. It's completely remote, and it's writing. It's a lot of writing. So if you know how to write, there's no way that it's not going to work for you. Multiple languages, as you can see. So French, fact checker, freelance writer, wherever you live in the world, you can get involved with AI. So go to their website, outlier.ai, apply, and start working remotely with the opportunities they're offering you. Everyone for watching my video. I hope it was useful. If you did enjoy it, and if you want more videos like that, please give me some thumbs up. If you haven't done so already, I invite you to subscribe to my channel, because I will post more and more videos like this. So if this can help you to work remotely, why not? And I'll see you on the next one for a new way of making money online. See you guys.